Today, we journey to the far northwest of Ireland where land, sea, and sky converge in quiet majesty. In County Donegal, above rolling hills and mist-covered valleys, stands a monument to an ancient past. Perched atop Greenan Mountain, the Grianan of Aileach rises from the earth itself. A circular stone fortress, shaped by human hands over 1,000 years ago. Its walls, built without mortar, have endured centuries of wind and rain. From here, the land stretches endlessly, across Lough Foyle and Lough Swilly. This was not just a fort, but a throne above the world. This was the seat of the Kings of Aileach, a place of ceremony, power, and identity. Here, rulers stood not just to govern, but to be seen. But long before these stones were raised, this hill may have already been sacred, a place where earth met sky and meaning was written into the land. Year 1101, the fortress fell, destroyed in the struggle for power, its walls reduced to silence. For centuries, it remained a ruin, a memory buried beneath grass and stone. Until the 19th century, when the past was rebuilt stone by stone, not as it once was, but as it was remembered. Today, it stands once more, a circle of stone, holding centuries of history within its walls. Grianan of Aileach, a place between worlds, where the past still watches over the land.
Subscribe to Travaday! Join me on this snowy adventure. Don't forget to subscribe!